Hello health enthusiasts and culinary conquerors. It's time to break down the science behind cooking fats and banish the myth that might be messing with your meals. So sharpen your knives and minds as we delve into this sizzling topic. Welcome back everyone. My name is Rashabia. Let's kick off by busting a common myth. Many folks believe that the smoke point of a fat decides its safety under heat. But plot twist, it's not. The smoke point is a flimsy benchmark, like judging a book by its cover. The real MVP here is the stability of the fat when it faces the fierce dance of cooking. There are three key factors that come into play here. First one is the composition. The second, the presence of antioxidants, and the level of refinement. It's like the holy trinity of fat stability. Let's break it down. Saturated fats have no double bonds, making them steady under heat. Monounsaturated fats with just one double bond hold their own too. But polyunsaturated fats with two or more double bonds can't handle the heat. Their dance steps falter. Antioxidants are like bodyguards, protecting the oil from oxidation, a process that can be a culinary killjoy when an oil is heated. They are essential for oil stability and pack a hefty health punch too. Refinement level is the final piece of our puzzle. The more an oil is refined, exposed to high heat and stripped of its natural antioxidants, the less stable it becomes. Picture it like a tree stripped of its bark, vulnerable to the elements. Now, our seed oils, they are flunk in all three areas. They are high in polyunsaturated fats, they are low in antioxidants, and often highly refined. It's like a bad report card. But remember, this instability at heat doesn't correlate with the smoke point. The smoke point may, however, play a role in flavor, but more on that shortly. On to our beloved butter. With its high saturated fat content, butter is steady under heat, but its low smoke point at 350 degrees means it can take a flavor hit pretty quickly. Keep butter for low, medium, low heat cooking, baking, or as the final flourish on your steak. Now, if you're in the mood to level up, give a shout out to grass-fed butter. It's like butter went on a health retreat. It comes back with more vitamin A, more vitamin K2, up to 5 times more CLA, up to 25% more omega-3s, and a flavor that's simply out of this world. The second one is the ghee, the Eastern enchantress of the cooking world and butter's trendier cousin. Also high in saturated fats, ghee can handle heat like a pro. With a smoke point of 480 degrees, it's your go-to for high heat cooking when you crave that buttery flavor. Craving a seared steak with a buttery flavor? Ghee got your back. The third one is coconut oil. With its high saturated fat content, it's a heat champ. Its smoke point of 350 degrees doesn't majorly impact the flavor, making it great for searing, frying, and sauteing. It's like a tropical getaway in your kitchen. The fourth one is the Mediterranean gem, the superstar of cooking fats world, extra virgin olive oil, or as the cool kids call it, EVO. Mostly monounsaturated fats, packed with antioxidants. It's not just delicious, but a nutritional powerhouse too. The antioxidants even shield your food from oxidation and stop nasty carcinogens from forming during cooking. EVO's smoke point is 350 degrees, but it's perfect for medium heat cooking, salad dressings, or as a dish finishing touch. The other one is avocado oil, the one-hit wonder of the cooking fats world, the monounsaturated fat maestro with a low antioxidant count. It can stand up to heat, but only for a while, as it trends to oxidize over time. With a smoke point of 500 degrees, it's a safe bet for quick, high heat cooking and a vibrant addition to your salads. Now for the heavy-duty hero, beef tallow. High in saturated fat and sporting a smoke point of 540 degrees, it's a hot favorite for high heat cooking and frying. So this is your go-to for all these high heat cooking sessions where you want to bring the really big buns. Just remember to go for 100% grass-fed tallow for top tier quality. Lastly, let's welcome lard, the old school classic, however not for everyone.
Haram!
Mainly monounsaturated fats, lard stays steady under heat, especially if it's from pasture-raised pigs. It has a smoke point of 375 degrees, but it doesn't significantly impact flavor. A solid choice for a fry-up that's oozing with flavor. And now for my final trick. If you're after a higher heat but love the flavor of something with a lower smoke point, like butter or Evo, add a splash of avocado oil. It will raise the smoke point a little bit and preserve the flavor. Perfect for those buttery roast potatoes. And that's it, my friends. This is your ultimate guide to cooking fats. Smash that like buttons if you found this video helpful and share your favorite cooking fats in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification for more culinary tips and tricks. Stay sizzling, folks. See you soon. Bye bye.